Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to place a group order on DoorDash. First, open the DoorDash app on your phone or go to the DoorDash website and go to the restaurant you want to order from. On the restaurant page, tap the group order icon. You'll see an option to set a spending limit per person. You can either pick a suggested amount or enter your own. Tap Save when done. Tap Start Group Order. Then hit Invite and share the invite link with friends or family so they can add their own items. Once everyone's finished choosing their food, you can close the group order and complete checkout. And that's it. That's how to place a group order on DoorDash. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.